කතංච භික්ඛවේ භික්ඛු කායේ කායානුපස්සී විහෙරති ඉද භික්ඛවේ භික්ඛු අරඤ්ඤගතෝ වා රුක්ඛමූලගතෝ වා ශුඤ්ඤාගාරගතෝ වා නිසීදති පල්ලංකං ආභුජිත්වා උජුං කායං පනිදාය පරිමුඛං සතින් උපට්ඨපෙත්වා සෝ සතෝව අස්සසති සතෝ පස්සසති දීඝං වාස්සසන්තෝ දීඝං අස්සසාමිති පජානාති දීඝං වාපස්සසන්තෝ දීඝං පස්සසාමිති පජානාති රස්සං වාස්සසන්තෝ රස්සං අස්සසාමිති පජානාති රස්සං වාපස්සසන්තෝ රස්සං පස්සසාමිති පජානාති සම්බකාය පටිසංවේදී අස්සසිස්සාමිති සික්ඛති සම්බකාය පටිසංවේදී පස්සසිස්සාමිති සික්ඛති පස්සම්බයං කාය සංකාරං අස්සසිස්සාමිති සික්ඛති පස්සම්බයං කාය සංකාරං පස්සසිස්සාමිති සික්ඛති සියතාපි වික්ඛවේ දක්ඛෝ භමකාරෝ භමකාරං තේවා.
Bante?
Yes. Now, yeah, I'm ready now.
Okay. Before we start today's sharing merit sessions, we would like to pay respect to Bante 3 times. Sahabat Dhamma, mari kita memberi penghormatan kepada Biku Sugatawangsa dengan bersikap anjali dan membukukan badan sebanyak 3 kali. Mari kita mulai. Selamat malam, sahabat Dhamma yang berbahagia. Suki Hontu Namo Buddhaya. Semoga sahabat Dhamma selalu sehat dan berbahagia. Sadu, sadu, sadu. Perkenalkan, nama saya Wija yang akan memandu kegiatan pada malam hari ini. Sungguh berbahagia kita semua mendapatkan kesempatan yang baik sekali untuk bisa bersama-sama melakukan persembahan dan pelimpahan jasa tawara dana pembangunan Dhamma Hall dan dapur di Dhammadura Monastery Sri Lanka yang dipimpin oleh Biku Sugatawangsa. Sebelum kita memulai acara pada malam hari ini, mari kita bersikap anjali dan membacakan permohonan 5 sila bersama-sama. Mandani Bante, before we start the program, we would like to request for 5 precepts.
Yes.
Aham Bante Tisaranena saha Pancasilang Dhammang yacami Anugahang gatawa Silang detha me Bante Dutiyampi Ahang Bhante Tisaranena saha Pancasilang Dhammang yacami Anugahang gatawa Silang detha me Bhante Tatiyampi Ahang Bhante Tisaranena saha Pancasilang Dhammang yacami Anugahang gatawa Silang detha me Bhante.
Yamahang vadami tang vadetha.
Ama Bhante.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa 3 times.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa.
Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Dhammang saranang gacchami.
Dhammang saranang gacchami.
Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi sanghang
Buddhang saranang.
Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Tisarana gamanang paripunnang
Amabante.
anatipata.
Panatipata. Weramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Musawada. Weramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Surameraya Majapamadatthana Weramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Idanme silang
Idame silang
asavakkaya vahang hotu.
asawakaya wahang hotu.
Idamme punyang
Idame punyang
nippanassa
nibbanasa
paccayo
pacayo
hotu.
hotu.
Mama punya bhagang
Mama punya bagang
sabba sattanang
sabasatanang
bhajemi
bajemi
te sabbe
te sabe
me samang
me samang
punya bhagang
punya bagang
labhantu.
labantu.
Tisaranena saha pancasilang dhammang sadukang surakkitang katva appamadena sampadethe.
Ama bante sadu sadu sadu.
Bante, we are very happy with the opportunity to donate for the Dhamma Hall and kitchen area at Dhammadura, Sri Lanka. Would Bante please show us any pictures or videos of the area so we can rejoice in our merits?
Okay. Now, first of all, now you see the Buddha statue and background of the Buddha statue. Yeah. Now our disciple supporting for us, moving the camera. Yeah. Now this is the area. Yeah. So now this is window. They had a cover with the curtain. They had a light also, fan, and light bulb.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a Windows area, like that. Yeah. So you see the very nice. They have a four door. Yeah, 4 door. Yeah. See now they had another 2 windows. They will cover with the curtain. Yeah. So now you see this is a meditation hall.
Bante, I will translate a bit.
Yeah, okay.
Teman-teman tadi Bante tunjukkan dimulai dari Buddha Rupangnya, ini sekarang di daerah Dhamma Hall. Jadi ada jendela, dikasih gorden, ada lampu, ada kipas angin tadi ya, jadi sangat bagus. Ada 4 pintu, baru ini sisi yang lain juga ada jendela dan kursi.
Light bulb. Yeah. Light bulb in that. Light bulb in aku bilang pindah.
Nice statue, Bante.
Yeah. Now on the light. Now you can see. We'll start to work the fan also.
Fan. Oh. Semuanya dikasih kipas angin di atas. No aircon, Bante?
No aircon.
But many windows and the fan I think not hot anymore.
Yeah, because we need the air circulation, everything. That's why.
Banyak kipas angin, jadi nggak perlu AC lagi ya. Pintunya besar, jendelanya besar. Wow, very nice. Bante, may we know the statue is made from what materials, Bante?
The fiber.
Oh, fiber. Okay.
Fiber.
Very nice.
Not so heavy.
Buddha Rupangnya dari fiber, jadi nggak terlalu berat.
All are the fresh flowers. And yeah, so yesterday we received a Lauber requisite from your group sister.
Yes, Bante.
Those are requisite. We some of the part offer to the senior Mahathers for medical.
Sadu.
Yeah, and some of the requisite we use for the to offer the items. Usually, can I say maybe 250 Singapore dollar for each senior Bhantes. Yeah, I think maybe participate. The for the 9 senior Bhantes, Mahatheras, we offer allowable requisite. And the sum of the part we use for the vehicle.
Okay, satu. I translate first, Bante.
Ya.
Jadi tadi itu semua bunganya bunga yang fresh, yang baru yang hidup, yang fresh. Kemudian allowable requisite yang kita kumpulkan melalui rekening Yayasan Beji ya, itu sudah kita serahkan dan Bante monasternya diatur beberapa bagian, sebagian itu digunakan sebagai allowable requisite untuk biaya medical ya, kesehatan para Bante senior Mahathera. Jadi kemudian sebagian lagi digunakan untuk barang-barang persembahan. Kemudian untuk 9 Mahathera yang paling senior itu didanakan allowable requisite ataupun kebutuhan yang diperkenankan setara dengan Singapura dollar itu 250 Singapura dollar masing-masing. Dan juga sebagian lagi dananya digunakan untuk dana transportasi. Oke, Bante.
Okay, sister.
Oke, Bante. The electricity is stable already there, Bante?
Sorry?
Electricity?
Yeah, it's still safe. Now, not cut.
Now it's quite stable, Bante, for the electricity?
Actually, I heard these days heavy rain, so they don't know to cut off.
Oh, now it's heavy rain. Lagi nanya ke Bante, di sana listriknya bagaimana? Kemarin nggak stabil ya, sering dimatiin listriknya tiap malam. Ini katanya lagi hujan. Jadi mereka nggak bisa keluar matiin kali. Oke, Bante, please.
Yeah, so next now I think did you see some photos background of the monastery? Do you want to see and want to explain one by one? But they take time, maybe they have the outside the background first. Outside the monastery.
Yes.
If you can share some few photos, I can explain.
Okay. Sister Rosma, please. Just know the photos.
Yeah, this is a before starting. This is a background. Yeah, this is inside.
Ini dalam ya, very nice.
This is at night. Before the preparing the flower arrangement event.
Ini malam sebelum mempersiapkan acara.
In front of, yeah, in front of statue and in front of the main entrance of our monastery.
Ini pintu masuk utama, ada lubangnya. Jadi tampak depan.
This is wall. This is the top of the building, the top of the floor. There the statue and very good air circulation also.
Oh, which floor, Bante? Fifth?
The top of the third floor.
Third floor.
The roof floor. You can say third floor. There are only 3 floors, no?
Oh,
this is the middle of the area. The roof is we make the glass.
Ini lantai 3 ya teman-teman, lantai 3. Terus di atasnya itu ada atap. Ini paling tinggi, 3 tingkat bangunannya di lantai 3. Jadi sirkulasinya itu terbuka, tapi di atasnya atap dari kaca.
This is, you see, all are the roof. There's some canopy also. They are the blue color. What is the canopy downstairs? This is our roof, the building. How we see on the sky.
Yang tampak dari atas ya, termasuk yang bagian biru juga, atap-atap yang biru. Semuanya.
This is garage.
Oh, garasi.
This is lift donated by the Sayali.
Oh, satu-satu. Liftnya didanakan oleh Seri Kamala dan umat dari Hong Kong.
Inside the bhikkhu's room area.
Area para biku.
But we didn't take our kitchen area photos too ugly now because a lot of rubbish. They are not no one clean. Because yesterday they very busy day. So I did not take any photos.
We saw already, Bante.
Yeah, yeah.
Ya teman-teman, untuk daerah dapurnya Bante bilang nggak difoto karena semalam baru acara, terus dapurnya tuh kotor banget, belum dibersihin, jadi nggak difoto ya. Tapi sebelumnya kita ada share kemarin update foto-foto dapurnya.
Yeah, this is the beside the another side. I mean, this is the yeah, back side of the monastery.
Bagian
Yeah.
belakang.
The brown color they are okay. The brown color is the Kapya's putti.
Oh,
Kapya we put separate.
kuti kapya dipisah, itu yang warna coklat 2 tingkat itu ya. 2 story Bante, udah kapya kuti. 2 floor.
This is meditation. You see, we cover with the bamboo panel because the heavy rain, no, the water come inside to protect the wooden, the door and the windows.
Yang lantai 2 itu ya Dhamma hall-nya teman-teman, jadi ditutup pakai tirai dari bambu atau apa gitu supaya karena sekarang musim hujan supaya airnya itu nggak mersik ke pintu yang terbuat dari kayu. In front.
Yeah, this is in front of statue.
Oh. There's a Bodhi tree in front, Bante.
Yeah, Bodhi tree in front of.
Pas di depannya tadi ada Bodhi tree ya, pohon Bodhi.
And sister, I want to say one more thing. Last time the group offer some requisite to provide for the lay people, no? Actually now we are doing, but still have remain requisite to still we are preparing. But this month I was busy because of this event, and not so many, very little. I think the very little requisite they also used for this event also, because more than 500 people participate.
Wow, sadhu.
Yeah, because we provide some juice, Nescafe, small thing. Some biscuit also. Our Kapya group they use.
Sadhu. I will translate first, Bante. Bante juga mau menyampaikan, kemarin kita ada menggalang dana baksos untuk umat di Sri Lanka, khusus umat di Sri Lanka. Nah, dananya masih ada, belum semuanya digunakan, masih dilakukan. Hanya bulan ini Bante sibuk sekali untuk mempersiapkan acara ini, nanti akan dilanjutkan kembali. Nah, dari requisit itu, dari dana itu sedikit diambil untuk juga didanakan pada kapia-kapia, dan ada sekitar 500 partisipan pada acara semalam tanggal 7. Jadi itu dananya digunakan untuk mendanakan jus, kemudian Nescafe ya, dan makanan-makanan kecil, biskuit dan sebagainya untuk para kapia.
Yeah, and sister, this is the in front of our garden, small garden.
Very nice. Taman kecil ya di depan.
Yeah. All are the photos before preparing the event. We are discussing, we are planning, and that's why. So then later we start to make the flower decoration and everything.
Foto-fotonya diambil untuk persiapan acara tanggal 7. Jadi sebelum tanggal 7 lagi didiskusikan bagaimana mempersiapkan, kemudian setelah foto-foto ini baru disiapin bunga untuk kegiatan tanggal 7 dan semua persiapan lainnya.
Yeah. So I think the this is a photos, but actually yesterday our old program we already make the video, but all are the Dhamma talk also inside the video by Singhais Dhamma talk. But later on, I'll ask to someone to make the short and cut and make the short video to show our event. But please give me the time to prepare the short video, okay? I'll reduce the video file.
Oh, Bantu want to share?
Not now, not now.
now.
Later I will share.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
because the
Bante.
very big file, I think maybe the nearly more than 1 hours of video program. So I think maybe I cannot play now. But all of the singers Dhamma talk inside.
Oh,
All by say the single Sri Lankan words, no English words.
oke, Bante. Jadi Bante bilang Bante ada buat semua programnya itu di dalam video yang dirangkum dan di dalamnya ada drama talk, semua drama talk tapi dalam bahasa Sri Lanka ya, Sinhala. Tapi malam ini nggak bisa di play ya karena filenya terlalu besar dan waktunya terlalu singkat. Nanti kalau udah selesai Bante akan share ke kita. Nanti kita share juga.
Yeah. Anyway, yesterday when I do the sharing merits, at that time I mentioned in front of the Mahasangha this meditation hall donated by the Indonesian group, Indonesian devotees.
Ya, Bante menyampaikan pada acara semalam adalah acara peringatan kematian ya daripada wafatnya Bante Arya Dhamma yang ke-6 ya kayaknya ya. Jadi banyak sekali mahatera yang diundang. Jadi semalam Bante menyebutkan kepada para mahasangga, anggota sangga bahwasannya meditational ini didanakan oleh umat dari Indonesia.
So I think we can start to practice meditation here. Now I think our monastery now almost completed. Then our main building almost completed, but outside of the also building we have start to make small kuti and some Buddha statue, but not yet finished. But still the construction there. But our main building, the kitchen side and the bhikkhus living room, the meditation hall, and the library, media room, shrine room, and all are the necessary things. Even there are the big 2 rooms for the lay people, 1 room for the even the ladies also can sleep there because the entrance is different entrance. But same building but different entrance and different side, the other side. Their office room also. So this building already completed. Now the last time the 10 bhikkhus spent here, but now this was only 8 bhikkhus, including 1 samanera. Actually, one of the bhikkhu went back to Myanmar for study. One of the bhikkhu went to the Na Uyana for practice meditation. So now I will start to teach Abhidhamma for the bhikkhus. First of Abhidhamma book already completed before, but now start the second Abhidhamma book with commentary. Now I think that there are 18 chapters of the second book. Almost 5 chapters already finished. Now is the Paticca line, too deep, too wide. Now slowly by slowly I start to explaining for them. Actually, these days I told them better take rest because all other bhikkhus very hard work. They no sleep well. They do the clean and everything. They also very good help for us to join this ceremony. And another things, maybe after the Monday we start making classes. Maybe second book we cannot finish during this Vasa. Maybe after Vasa, I plan to come to Singapore for 1 month. 21st of October, I am leaving from here to Singapore. Stay 1 month. Maybe the 20th of November, I come back to Sri Lanka again.
semua bagiannya sudah selesai. Bagian dapur, kemudian ruang kuti biku, kemudian perpustakaan, tempat pemujaan ya, shrining itu tempat pemujaan rupang Buddha dan relik kali ya dan sebagainya, kemudian ruang media. Nah, kemudian juga ada 2 kamar besar yang sehingga para wanita bisa tidur tinggal di monastery karena di setting pintu masuknya itu berbeda. Jadi ada aturan ya kalau wanita mau tinggal di monastery itu pintu masuknya harus berbeda. Kemudian ada juga office atau office apa ya, kantor. Nah, intinya keseluruhan bangunan sudah selesai. Jadi sebelumnya ada 10 biku yang berdiam di Dhamma Satu Samanera. Jadi 2 bikunya itu, 1 biku pergi ke Myanmar untuk belajar, 1 lagi ke Nauyana untuk juga berlatih meditasi. Bante juga sudah mulai mengajarkan Abhidhamma. Buku pertama dari Abhidhamma sudah selesai dan juga akan dilanjutkan dengan buku kedua disertai dengan kitab komentar atau penjelas makna. Dari buku kedua ini ada 18 bab. Kemudian dari 18, 5 itu sudah selesai, di kelasnya sudah selesai, sisanya nanti akan dilanjutkan ke berikutnya. Ini adalah bagian Patita Samupada, karena terlalu mendalam, jadi akan diajarkan pelan-pelan. Kemudian seluruh bantenya juga berusaha keras gitu ya, rajin untuk belajar, terus juga membantu di monastery bersih-bersih, jadi mereka tidak cukup tidur, apalagi membantu untuk persiapan acara tanggal 7 semalam. Nanti setelah hari Senin, Bante akan melanjutkan memulai kelas dari buku kedua. Dan buku kedua ini juga nggak bisa selesai selama wasa ini, karena setelah wasa Bante akan ke Singapura 1 bulan. Nanti tanggal 20 November, Bante akan kembali ke Sri Lanka dan mulai mengajar para biku lagi.
And one more thing, the sister Vija, do you remember when you are coming back to Sri Lanka, at that time, your group brought a lot of meditation cushion for us, the
Yes.
brother training offer and
Yes.
your group offer. And this is the time to use all other meditation cushion. Because there are 40 pieces we received at that time. Now 10 pieces the bhikkhu using, and the 20 or 25 pieces we are going to put for the meditation hall. It's still the packing, but maybe later we are going to open the pack. Now already how many years? 2017 you have brought.
2017 we brought. And
Yeah,
now 5 years later.
yeah,
Now
yeah. So those are items. This is the time to use.
Sadhu.
Yeah. And another thing, Sister Mila, actually before discussing with your group about the meditation hall, at that time the monastery owner, the landowner, his family asked me to offer the Buddha statue for the meditation hall. That's why I not remind your group. This Buddha's sitting area statue only he offered, but the over of the decoration and the Buddha's the shining color, the behind the shining color, and the roof of the things, everything offered including the Indonesian devotees.
Sadhu, Bante.
Yeah. Except this one, except statue and sitting and the structure. Pillar structure, other all the tile, cement, light, fan, windows, door, all are including your donation.
Sadhu. Ini dari Bante nanya ke Sister Wija. Sister Wija pernah ke Sri Lanka pada waktu itu membawa 40 pieces ya Sister Wija, alas meditasi. Nah, Bante bilang sekarang saatnya digunakan. Jadi 10 udah digunakan oleh Bante untuk bermeditasi. Nah, 20 ini akan ditaruh di Dhamma Hall, untuk dipakai di Dhamma Hall untuk meditasi. Jadi masih dibungkus sebelum dibuka. Jadi dari tahun 2017 sampai sekarang 2022 itu 5 tahun, akhirnya sekarang akan segera digunakan. Kita juga rejoice, sadu. Kemudian Bante juga ingin menyampaikan kepada kita, sebelum menyampaikan bahwasannya akan tentang dibutuhkannya dana meditation hall ini, donatur tanah dari monastery ini memohon meminta kepada Bante untuk mendanakan Buddha Rupangnya. Jadi khusus Buddha Rupang bersama dengan mejanya dan pilarnya itu didanakan oleh pendana tanah monastery. Tapi sisanya semua termasuk dekorasi di belakang Buddhanya yang cahayanya itu, atapnya, semennya, dindingnya, keramiknya, apalagi tadi ya, fan-nya apa fan tuh kipas anginnya, jendelanya semuanya didanakan oleh umat Indonesia. Sadu, sadu, sadu.
Yeah. So how to say? I'm very very happy. This is my wishes because the 2018 before went to Mimio meditation retreat. First stone I put for the land to start to build the monastery. I think 1st of December 2018 start to build this monastery. Yesterday we completed because of not only the many of the Sri Lankan and Bante Mahindas from China, and the Bantes, lot of the Chinese devotees and the PMC devotees, and brother JJ, sister Chen, sister Baoshen, and the sister Bichu and their family. There are a lot of even though some it's a difficult moment. So there is difficult moment at that time. The sister Bichu and the husband, the Singaporean, they offer a lot of elaborate requisite to make the roof, monastery, lot of things. So not only one person, even Sri Lankan group from Australia, Sri Lankan group from Singapore, Sri Lankan group from the Qatar, and America, some other countries also, the local also, all of them participate for our to complete the monastery. So this is not only one person donate, the many of the people, even our Kapia group start to give the receipt first time. Later, there's a lot of we print a lot of things. Sometimes cannot count also because lot of donation list. But anyway, I told them, okay, the every people donate for the monastery, for the sasana, for the sangha is okay. It's no need to think about the worry. But anyway, sadhu sadhu for our Indonesian devotees. Last time we offer our kitchen area with the area for the bhikkhus eating place, very small area, but actually this one we are using for the cooking and eating. But actually I'm not asking anything. I want to say next to this building they have one of the part of the acre, one land. This one also belongs to the same owner of this monastery owner, but that owner's wife, actually this part belongs to his wife. Wife told Bante, I cannot offer this land. If Bante can copy with Bante's devotees, it is good. She told like this. But anyway, last Singaporean trip, during that period, Bante Mahinda, Chinese Bante Mahinda, and his Bante Mahinda's devotees, they offer me this land already. Yeah, they have in front of the. Did you see the photos that some area they put the car vehicle? Yeah, this area, and later we have planned to build the professional kitchen. Very big kitchen, and the Bhikkhu Pindapata hall. Pindapata hall is down floor. The planning to build the rooms for the ladies and a meditation hall. And the first place, maybe if we have if you are okay at the time, later we can make the second floor also for the ladies, for the meditation rooms. But we are only just thinking but we already copy the land. But this is not the time to start anything in Sri Lanka. Still, the Sri Lanka is a country. Also, I think you all know everything in the background. After stable, maybe not now, maybe later after 1 or 2 years or so. I don't know what time we are planning. But anyway, they are now good enough for us because now we are stay only the 12 or 13 people, including Kapia here, good enough for this area to survive us and to stay, practice, study Dhamma, the good enough. But we cannot start the meditation, the retreat, but the 1 day retreat we can do, but cannot do the 7 day or 1 month because no place for the ladies. And even the lay people also, some lay men can stay in our monastery area, only a few person, but cannot stay with the more than 4 or 5. But anyway, so I'm very, very happy and sadhu sadhu for your donation, supportive for the sasana, and thank you very much. And we can do the offering dana now, no?
Yes, Bante, may I translate first, Bante?
Yes.
Jadi Bante ingin menyampaikan beliau sangat-sangat bahagia. Kenapa? Karena Bante ini merupakan cita-citanya gitu ya, harapan Bante ada satu monastery. Jadi waktu 2018 sebelum pergi ke Maimyu untuk retreat meditasi, itu dilakukan peletakan pertama. Nah, jadi sekitar Desember 2018 itu start dibangun. Sampai akhirnya selesai kemarin ya, jadi baru benar-benar selesai sehingga dilakukan acara peresmian dalam sekalian waktu semalam itu mengundang para anggota Sangga Mahatera dalam peringatan wafatnya Bante Arya Dhamma. Kemudian, nah semua komplek monasteri ini didanakan oleh banyak sekali pihak, termasuk banyak sekali umat Sri Lanka. Kemudian Bante Mahinda beserta umat-umatnya, umat dari China, kemudian dari banyak ya, dari Singapura terutama PMC, Brother JJ, Sister Cheng, tadi ada Bicu, ada Paulsen, dan seterusnya ya, banyak dari Singapura. PMC Singapura itu benar-benar membantu dari masa-masa sulit. Jadi terutama juga tadi katanya Sister Bicu dan suaminya yang mendanakan atap dan mendanakan banyak sekali requisit untuk pembangunan. Jadi juga termasuk umat-umat dari Australia, Sri Lanka, Amerika. Tadi kalau nggak salah dengar Qatar kayaknya ya. Kalau Bante, just now Bante mention about Qatar.
Sorry?
The
Middle East,
donor from
Qatar.
Qatar. Yes, that is country.
Qatar Airways.
Okay. Yes. Jadi benar ya dari Qatar gitu ya, dan umat lokal jadi banyak sekali semuanya turut berpartisipasi mendanakan monastery ini. Jadi bukan hanya satu orang, jadi Bante sangat bahagia. Kemudian nggak bisa dari KPI sampai nggak bisa hitung ya kalau mau dicek satu-satu donaturnya siapa gitu, tapi intinya semua orang yang turut berpartisipasi Bante sangat bermudita cita sadu-sadu juga untuk umat Indonesia yang mendanakan terutama dapur. Sekarang dapurnya dipakai untuk tempat makan dan masak, jadi walaupun tempatnya kecil tapi cukup digunakan untuk para biku untuk memasak dan juga lokasi tempat makan para biku. Kemudian tadi Bante menambahkan hanya info bahwasannya ada satu ekor gitu ya, satu petak tanah. Jadi tadi kalau di foto nampak lokasi tempat parkir mobil itu didanakan juga. Jadi pemilik tanahnya sama dan istrinya memberitahu Bante bahwasannya jika ada yang ingin dia juga bisa mendanakan tanahnya itu, mungkin didanakan dengan sedikit uang gitu ya, berapa nilainya gitu. Nah akhirnya umat dari Singapura dan juga Bante Mahinda beserta umat-umatnya mereka mendanakan tanah tersebut, sepetak tanah tersebut. Nantinya di petak tanah tersebut direncanakan akan dibangun dapur yang profesional, yang lebih besar, kemudian juga ruang pindapata untuk para biku pindapata. Di lantai pertamanya nanti akan disediakan ruang-ruang untuk wanita untuk bisa tinggal dan bermeditasi. Jadi meditation hall untuk wanita, lantai 2-nya juga mungkin bisa untuk wanita dan pria. Jadi tapi ini hanya baru tanahnya, belum saatnya untuk membangun di Sri Lanka karena situasi sekarang yang kita tahu masih belum stabil di Sri Lanka. Jadi ini adalah rencana nanti jangka panjang mungkin beberapa tahun ke depan, tidak tahu kapan ya, 1 atau 2 tahun ke depan. Tetapi intinya Bante mengatakan sekarang monasterinya bangunan yang ada sudah cukup memadai karena sekarang yang tinggal ada sekitar 12 sampai 13 orang termasuk kapia. Jadi para biku sudah bisa belajar, bisa meditasi untuk praktek meditasi ya dan belajar. Nah, sekarang belum bisa melakukan retret meditasi jangka panjang, misalnya seminggu seperti itu belum bisa karena belum ada kuti tempat para wanita bisa tinggal. Tapi kalau cuma one day, 1 hari yang pulang itu masih oke. Kalau yang untuk pria bisa tinggal sekitar 3, 4 sampai 5 orang, nggak bisa lebih. Nah, jadi di akhir Bante mengatakan Bante sangat-sangat bahagia atas dana dari semua donatur, terutama donatur dari Indonesia, Sadhu atas dananya mensupport, menyokong Buddha Sasana. Jadi sekarang kita akan memulai untuk persembahan secara resmi meditation hall dan dapur. Silakan Sister Wija.
Thank you, Sister Mila. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you very much, Bante, for the tour and explanation. Bante, please
Yeah.
allow to make an offering, official offering of this Dhamma Hall and Kitchen Tawaradana for the Sangha from Indonesian faithful devotees through the following words that we will read. Sahabat
Yes.
Dhamma, kita bersama-sama membacakan kalimat Pali untuk penyerahan secara resmi Dhamma Hall dan dapur kepada Sangha dengan bersikap hormat, penuh perhatian dan bersukacita.
Sister, now this is the meaning you are going to offer for the Sangha. Actually, you have to keep your mind that we are offering Sangha, but we have to allow for the lay people to use meditation hall and kitchen area also. Okay, not only for the bhikkhu use. This also we have to mention.
Ya, Bante. Yes, Bante. Jadi Bante barusan bilang walaupun kita ini cetananya dana untuk Sangha, tapi di dalam batin kita juga mempersilahkan umat awam yang di luar Sangha untuk bisa menggunakan area dapur dan juga Dhamma Hall ini. Walaupun memang cetana kita ke Sangha, tapi kita juga mengizinkan mereka untuk bisa, ya mereka ini maksudnya umat dan di luar Sangha itu untuk bisa menggunakan dapur dan juga Dhamma Hall.
And
Mari kita
before recite Pali sentence, you should recite Namo Tassa 3 times. Okay?
Oh, oke, Bante. Sebelum kita memulai bahasa Pali yang di layar ini, sebelumnya kita membacakan Namo Tassa seperti saran Bante. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Okasa Mayang Bhante Etang Bhawana Salanca Etang Dana Salanca Agata Nagatasa Catudisasa Yoga Wacara Bhikkhu Sanghasa Yatha Sukhang Paribhogataya Niyadema Dutiyampi Mayang Bhante Etang Bhawana Salanca etang dana salanca agata nagatasa catu disasa yoga wacara bhikkhu sanghasa yatha sukhang paribogathaya niyadema tatiyampi mayang bhante etang bhawana salanca etang dana salanca agata nagatasa catu disasa yoga wacara bhikkhu sanghasa yatha sukhang paribhogathaya niyadema. Recite persembahkan
Sure.
aula meditasi dan dapur ini untuk para bhikkhu sangha yang telah datang atau yang akan datang dari 4 penjuru untuk digunakan sesuai keinginan mereka. Untuk kedua kalinya, Bhante, mohon perkenankan kami mempersembahkan aula meditasi dan dapur ini untuk para bhikkhu sangha yang telah datang atau yang akan datang dari 4 penjuru untuk digunakan sesuai keinginan mereka. Untuk ketiga kalinya, Bhante, mohon perkenankan kami mempersembahkan aula meditasi dan dapur ini untuk para bhikkhu sangha yang telah datang atau yang akan datang dari 4 penjuru untuk digunakan sesuai keinginan mereka. Sadhu, sadhu.
Yeah, I think you all know the meaning and benefit about the offering meditation hall, no? That this hall useful for the bhikkhus and lay people to practice meditation, samatha and vipassana. Actually, the Lord Buddha mentioned, need the good place, secluded place for the practice meditation. Everywhere we cannot meditate. So around this area, they have the houses, but anyway, very calm, very peaceful. And so after maybe the bhikkhu and the lay people also when start to practice meditation, they also can accumulate a lot of also. Those are merits always help for your life also. Because everyone after they are coming to and enter the monastery, and they're also very happy. So even the kitchen area also always cooking for the bhikkhus, the breakfast and lunch dana. Because our monastery, new place, not many foreigners coming here. Only dry food for the lay people, and not many visitors here. Only few visitors, but every full moon day there are few visitors coming for participate puja and chanting. We don't have any other activities. Maybe not this year, maybe next year we are planning to start maybe once a month the one-day meditation retreat in our place. But before they are coming, they must register. They have to register first, because we don't know. Because we have to know the people who are coming. So we next time we have to open the some program. Sadhu sadhu, thank you very much. Our Lord Buddha mentioned vihara danan sanghasya aggang buddhena vannitang. Someone offer the vihara monastery meditation for the sangha. This is a valuable merits for all the donors. So now your mind also very pure, your property is very pure, and your you use the very good receiver side, and the donor receive both are very pure, then we all we ask to get